Hello everyone, I'm Brian Kelly. I'm not the clearest speaker due to my Scottish accent, so I have opted for text-to-speech for this demonstration. I have put together this demo of using a drone to carry out a site survey, then using that data to produce a 3D model using software called Agisoft, and finally bringing this into Liebherr's Crane Planner 2.0 to fully visualize the cranes in a 3D environment. Using these methods, I have managed to create and produce models in 5 to 6 hours from flight to finished model. This has provided more detail than ever before. Instead of fully showcasing a client's site, I have chosen to demonstrate using a local monument as a test subject. I have used the Wallace Monument, so it's only fitting that we have William Wallace in the man basket. Before I show you how the model is produced, you will see from my movements on screen the value of Liebherr's Crane Planner software. It allows for total customization of the crane and to save points to show the crane in set configurations. The model itself is brought into Crane Planner as a DAE file. The man basket and Wallace figure are brought in as OBJ files and converted to load items, and given a weight, this allows for all the utilization and point loading to be correct with the load on. These load items can also be brought in with textures images as well, but I have left them white for this demo. When you have a fly jib or luffing jib to install, this is great for allowing you to visualize the space and ensure it's possible to install within the space constraints of the site. Here, you can see the Working Steps menu on screen. This allows for you to jump from one setup location to another quick. The figure doesn't move with this, but this can easily be fixed by combining these items before coming into Crane Planner. This part of the video shows how I made the model. On site, I fly the drone for about 30 minutes, capturing a circular orbit around the site, like the one on the screen. This video is then brought into Agisoft and split into frames. Once in Agisoft, all the frames are aligned. Once this is done, the first model is the tie points. These are all the points it matched in the photos to work out the geometry of the model. The blue boxes represent all the photos, showing where the image was taken from. The software then creates a textured model from all the data and produces a high-quality model. Unfortunately for now, the model that is brought into Crane Planner is just the basic model and not the high-resolution textured model. Hopefully, in the future, we will have an update that will allow the high-resolution model to be used. Finally, using an online tool like Luma Labs, I'm able to create a spectacular intro video of the client's site. This is a shareable model accessible through a web link and is a great tool for sites looking to visualize a 3D model of their site. My next task is to record a Flyaround in Crane Planner and then feed this back into Luma to create a model that includes the crane in position. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helps people understand more about this process. I may be one of the first to do this for cranes, but I genuinely think this will become the norm within 5 years. I hope that there will be advances in software so we can do this with all cranes and have a vast library of items we can add to our models, from exclusion zone barriers to dynamic scaffolding. Even if we can show delivery transport and cherry pickers that we can show in position as well. Please drop me any comments below, and if you liked this video, please share it so more people can see.